In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Photopea Pen Tool the easy way, even if you've never used it before. The pen tool is one of the most powerful tools in Photopea because it lets you create clean selections, precise cutouts, and professional vector shapes. Once you understand just a few simple rules, it becomes a tool you can use for everything from removing backgrounds to drawing custom shapes. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Photopea and press P on your keyboard to select the pen tool. Once it's active, look up at the top left of the options bar. This is where you choose the mode you want to work in. There are two main modes you need to know about: path mode and shape mode. Path mode is the one you'll use most often when you want to cut something out or make a selection. It creates an invisible outline so nothing gets filled with color. Think of it like drawing a guide that Photopea can use later for selection, masking, or background removal. Shape mode is different. This creates an actual shape layer. That means the object you draw will have a fill color on the inside and a stroke around the edge. If you want to build vector-style graphics, icons, or clean design elements, shape mode is the one to use. Now let's talk about how the pen tool actually works. It creates points called anchor points, and it connects those points with lines. If you want a straight line, just click once to place your first anchor point, then click somewhere else to place your second point. Photopea will automatically draw a straight line between the two. If you want a curved line, click and hold, then drag your mouse before releasing. When you do that, Photopea pulls out directional handles. These handles control the curve. The farther you drag, the bigger and smoother the curve becomes. This is the part that usually takes a little practice, but once you get the feel for it, it becomes much easier. If you want to finish a shape, hover your cursor back over the very first anchor point you created. When you see a small circle appear next to your cursor, click that point to close the path. Closing the loop is important when you're making selections or masks because it tells Photopea that the shape is complete. Now let's go over the most useful modifier keys because these are the tricks that make the pen tool much easier to control. If you want a sharp corner instead of a smooth curve, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, then click a handle to bend it independently. This breaks the handles apart and lets you create corners with much more control. If you need to move an anchor point while you're still drawing, hold Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac, then click and drag the anchor point to a new location. This is incredibly helpful when you realize a point needs to be adjusted without starting over. And if you want to keep your line perfectly straight, hold Shift while clicking. This locks your line to a straight horizontal, vertical, or 45-degree angle. That's a really useful shortcut when you want cleaner geometry and more accurate shapes. Now let's use the pen tool for one of the most common tasks: cutting something out of an image. If you're tracing a subject to remove the background, make sure you're in path mode first. Then carefully trace all the way around your subject, placing anchor points along the edge. Use straight lines where the object is sharp and use curves where the object bends or rounds. Once you've traced around the entire object, close the loop by clicking back on the first anchor point. After that, click the selection button in the top options bar or use Ctrl plus Enter on Windows or CMD plus Return on Mac. That converts your path into a selection. From there, go to the Layers panel on the right and click the Add Raster Mask icon at the bottom. This removes the background non-destructively, which means your cutout stays editable and safe. That's a much better workflow than deleting the background permanently. So to recap, the pen tool in Photopea is all about choosing the right mode, placing anchor points carefully, using curves and handles correctly, and then turning your path into a selection or mask when you're done. It may feel a little advanced at first, but once you practice a few times, it becomes one of the most useful tools in the entire app. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea tips, and check out my other editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.